Nasdaq Market Recap for Tuesday, December 17th. It is currently Wednesday, December 18th, 2:21 a.m., but this is the trade I took yesterday and why. So coming into today, you can see right here this DO, which is daily opening price, or the opening price of the daily candle. And pre-market, what I noticed was pretty much on the higher time frame on both NQ and ES, as these are the correlating pairs. We have this higher time frame SMT. As you can see, NQ is taking these highs and ES are not trading those highs, pretty much forming low resistance liquidity and a bearish SMT. So I noticed that coming into today. And also what I noticed was from the previous day, we left this big daily range where I marked out 50% right here. So since we are overall bullish, like we have overall bullish price action, we want to see price trade into this 4-hour PD rate to support us higher. And the reason why we want to see price trade lower into this 4-hour PD rate is because of this because of this hard time from SMT we have formed. And pretty much what I noticed on NQ and ES is we had these equal lows, these relative equal lows right here in ES. Actually, these are lows right here. It was these lows. This was formed today, but these are the lows we had, these relative equal lows. And on NQ, instead of those relative equal lows, we had this 4-hour low here. So as you can see, pretty much ES NQ is already taking those lows, and we have bullish SMT as well. So SMT on both sides. But I wanted to see price trade in. I wanted to see price trade in this PD rate to support us higher for the day. And pretty much off the daily open, price put in no top wick. You can see open up right here, accumulated, and then started trading lower, pretty much showing us our open and our low. So even since we did want a bearish, or like we wanted a bearish price action initially for higher, if we saw the open and a high, then I'll be looking more for shorts down to that 4-hour PD rate. But since we saw an open and a low, I'm now looking for longs off that 4-hour PD array, because this is a bullish power of 3. So off the daily open, we started trading lower. 9:30 a.m. open right here. Price accumulated, nothing much to trade. I was just sitting through all this accumulation, ranging around. We started trading lower, and then right around 10 a.m. from the 10 a.m. at the 10 a.m. open, price accumulated and then started trading lower, pretty much from a bullish power 3 off the 10 a.m. open. So ideally, we would have saw 10 a.m. open trade lower into that 4-hour low, aligned with that 4-hour balance. We should have seen that 10 a.m. open trade lower into here, but we didn't quite get that. Instead, we just saw 10 a.m. open trade into 50% of the range, which honestly for me was enough. And off 50% of that range right here, off that bullish power 3, you can see we started changing structure for higher. We created this inversion fair value gap right here, which supported us higher. We reaccumulated, and then right here at around the 11 a.m. macro, price wicked out these lows right here, and then pretty much had this impulsive move higher. And when you see something like that occur, where we soup out lows inside a PD array, like a PD array like this, then you pretty much I was expecting a continuation move higher. So off this impulsive move higher, we formed a 5-minute imbalance right here. That's where I went long. I wanted to see price soup out this 5-minute low. That was my entry. So yeah, so price souped out this low right here. That's where I entered. And pretty much what happened was I was targeting, sorry, I'm getting a phone call real quick. And my target was these overnight equal highs formed with the Asian and London session. So we have Asian and London session equals highs. This was my drawn liquidity, and that's what I targeted. And we were in profit for quite some time, actually. We ran up around 170, 180 ticks in profit. Yeah, I was around 180 ticks in profit before I got stopped out at break even. And pretty much for the rest of the day, we just saw the accumulation. After I got stopped out here, I just hopped off. But for the rest of the day, for rest of lunch and PM session, we literally just accumulated lower. Just hideous PA. You don't want to be trading this. But yeah, that was the overall recap for today. But I thank you guys for watching. Any questions in the comments below, and I will be live tomorrow and every day this week. If you want to join these live calls, just join my Discord. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for watching.